everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Michelle Margareta Paat, currently as a freshman in 2024.
A few years ago, the world buzzing about COVID-19 and hand sanitizer was being sought out, even being rare. In this video is an explanation for and how hand sanitizer is made according to World Health Organization standards. But before that, let's start. I would like to introduce the tools and materials we are going to use for hand sanitizer. First of the necessary ingredients is ethanol 96%. The chemical formula is C2H5OH or C2H6O. Concentration on the end of hand sanitizer is 80%. The second ingredient is hydrogen peroxide 3%. The chemical formula is H2O2. A concentration on the end of hand sanitizer is 0.125%. The third ingredient is glycerol or glycerin 98%. The chemical formula is C3H8O3. Concentration on hand sanitizer results is 1.45%. And the last ingredient is the aqua. The chemical formula, H2O. Next, the tools to be used, the first of which is the containers with a cap in a 10-liter capacity. The second one has a funnel. Next is measuring glass 5-liter for the ethanol. 250 milliliters measuring tube for hydrogen peroxide and 100 milliliters for glycerol. Next is the alcohol meter and the last is bottle spray. To calculate the number of hand sanitizers with a certain volume. Then the formula becomes, the volume of material required is the volume of hand sanitizer times the percentage of chemistry in the hand sanitizer divided by the percentage of chemistry in the material. So the volume required for each ingredients are, 1. The volume of ethanol is equal to the volume of hand sanitizer times 80 divided by 96. 2. Hydrogen peroxide volume is equal to hand sanitizer volume times 0.125 divided by 3. 3. Glycerol volume is equal to hand sanitizer volume times 1.45 divided by 98. Now we only need to enter the volume of hand sanitizer. That will be made into the formula and we will know how much of each ingredient will be needed. For example, we will make a volume of hand sanitizer as much as 5 liters or 5,000 milliliters, then each ingredient needed is 1. The volume of ethanol is equal to 5,000 times 80 divided 96, the result is 4,167 milliliters. 2. The volume of hydrogen peroxide is equal to 5,000 times 0.125 for 3, the result is 208 milliliters. 3. Glycerol volume equals 5,000 times 1.45 divided by 98, the result is 74 milliliters. 4. Aqua equals 5,000 less 4,167 less 208 less 74 results 551 milliliters. How to make it is, first measure ethanol as much as 4,167 milliliters using a 5-liter measuring cup, and put it in a container. Second, use a 250 milliliters measuring tube, pour 208 milliliters of hydrogen peroxide and put it in a container. Third, put glycerol in a 100 milliliters measuring tube, measure 74 milliliters, and put it in a container. Fourth, measure 550 milliliters of distilled water into a container, put a little in a measuring tube to rinse the glycerol, because the glycerol is rather thick, and put it in a container. Fifth, close the container and shake. Finally, pour into spray bottles. Then leave it for 72 hours to make it completely sterile. Okay, so that's the tutorial for making hand sanitizer according to World Health Organization.